Hi Nadia.
Hi.
How are you today?
Very thank you.
Very well, thank you. Okay. So, what are we baking in your lovely, lovely kitchen?
Cookies.
Woohoo! Let's do it. You have to show me the ingredients, but first, you will wash your hands. You know, this is what we always do first. Where is the little sink? Well done.
Clean.
Well done. Okay, now let's see the ingredients. So what do we need, Nadia?
Egg, flour, sugar. What is it?
What's that? Butter,
Butter,
almond flakes,
almond flakes,
baking soda,
baking soda,
and some
some
rum essence.
essence.
Okay, so now let's mix them all together, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, we mix.
What do we mix? The
I
butter.
want to
The butter, you have to put it in the big bowl. Bravo.
this first.
The eggs.
I want to pass. It's cracked.
Wow, nice. So now you need to add the sugar. Yeah. There you have custard sugar. Okay? So you have to put it in the big bowl.
Big ball. I can't do that. Oh, like
Yeah. Well done. And now we mix them. Let's mix. And mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And now we need to add the flour and the baking soda, yeah? And that's it. Nadia, help me. Go on. Nice.
Wow! Wow! I mix it. I mix
Yeah,
it.
yeah, mix it.
I mix it.
Does it
It
smell
smells
nice?